Welcome to Tech Learnist. Recently, when you share the YouTube link on WhatsApp, you don't see the thumbnail or title of the video you're planning to share. Let me show you. I have this video. In order to get the URL of my YouTube video, click on the share icon. Either share it on WhatsApp or use the copy link icon to copy the link. Now go to WhatsApp and paste it in one of your chats. As you can see, it doesn't show me the thumbnail or the video title. Today, I'm going to show you a trick which will work on either of the Android or iOS device in order to show the thumbnail and the title of the video on WhatsApp. Let's get started. When you upload any video on YouTube, it generates a unique ID for the video. This is called as the video ID. So in this URL, the last portion of the URL is the video ID. So the portion starting from G to I in this case is the video ID. YouTube provides two URLs with which you can get the thumbnail as well as the video title. Let's see what those URLs are. In order to get the thumbnail, use img.youtube.com/vi/the video ID/sddefault.jpg. This will give you the SD version of the thumbnail. If you want to get the HD version, use hddefault.jpg in the last portion of the URL. In order to get the video title, use youtube.com/embed/the video ID. Now let's see how you can post it on WhatsApp. Copy the thumbnail URL, go to WhatsApp, paste it, post it. Now go back and copy the video title. As you can see the thumbnail as well as the video title using these two URLs. Now you can safely forward this to any of your recipients. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications of the upcoming videos.